Welcome. We're excited to have you here because what you're about to learn could genuinely change how you approach your mind, your habits, and your potential. Let's start with something you might relate to. Have you ever felt stuck? Maybe you struggle with focus and get distracted constantly. Maybe there's a habit you've tried to break dozens of times, but it keeps pulling you back. Or maybe you feel like your brain isn't as sharp as it used to be, and you're worried that it's only going to get worse with age. Here's what most people believe: that your brain is basically fixed, that after childhood, the connections are set, and you're stuck with whatever mental patterns you've developed. You've probably heard the phrase, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks." But here's what we need you to know. That belief is completely outdated. Modern neuroscience has proven something remarkable. Your brain can change at any time. It's called neuroplasticity, and it's not just a theory. It's a measurable, trainable ability. Think about London taxi drivers. Scientists scanned their brains and found that the area responsible for navigation was physically larger than an average people. Why? Years of memorizing thousands of street routines literally grew new neural connections. Their brains reshaped themselves. Or consider stroke survivors who lose movement on one side of their body. Many regain function through rehabilitation because their brains build new pathways around the damaged areas. The brain rewires itself to adapt. What does this mean for you? Whether you want to break a bad habit, sharpen your focus, learn faster, or reduce anxiety, your brain can adapt. Age doesn't determine this. What you do with your attention determines this. Over the next hour, we're going to show you exactly how neuroplasticity works and give you a simple, science-based protocol to rewire any pattern you choose. You'll learn practical techniques that you can start using today. Not complicated theory, but real tools that create real changes. By the end, you'll understand how to take control of your brain's rewiring process instead of leaving it on autopilot. You'll have an action plan and the knowledge to keep improving for life. Your brain is plastic, not fixed, and you can intentionally rewire it at any age. Let's explore how this actually works at the neural level.